one sang the praises of Gay Parry and the Strand, London Grand. Softly the other replied, I know a place to his side, and though I roam, it is my home, sweet home, Uncle Sammy.
All right, now Charlie and I, we're in New York City. He's never been. It's been a long time since I've been. One of the first stops we want to make is go over to the Statue of Liberty. We'll ride the boat over here in just a minute. Check out the statue. Uh, check out Ellis Island while we're over there too. It's not anything too major that I'm interested in, but we'll see it too. And but mostly the statue. Go see what it's like up close.
Seeing all the beautiful rides, say that it beats the band. Just take a trip up Old Hudson Bay, ain't it grand? Yankee Land, rave of the sights or the seas, England and old Germany. Give me Broadway where it's gay night and day, that's the place for me. Take me back to New York town, New York town, New York.
This was the first time for either of us over at Liberty Island. Check out the statue. I wanted to get over here before, but I didn't have the chance. I have seen fireworks though, New Year's Eve fireworks over the statue from the Battery there in Manhattan. But even just right here where we are now, it's already impressive. The view, and then the statue is huge. If anybody ever says it's overrated they're dead wrong. But it's really awesome to be here at the statue. It's been a bunch of stuff, movies, Ghostbusters 2. They walked across the bay there with it to get to the museum, which we'll get around. We'll see the museum there too, and some other Ghostbusters stuff. But right now we're going to focus on the statue. The view here, you can see over Manhattan, Brooklyn. That's a pretty awesome view. Got some pretty decent weather. The sky here at the statue was cloudy but blue. Over on the main island, Manhattan, it was kind of gray. We didn't run into any rain or anything, nothing major, but it was gray. But there was good views, good skies behind the statue. The view here is just awesome too. Looking back away from the statue, there on the right, that's the Brooklyn skyline. Then in the center there, that's Manhattan. And then keep going on over to the left. That runs into Jersey City there. You can see a little better. Got the One World Trade Center there in the tower in the center. We'll be going up in that there too eventually. Check it out. The view there was awesome. But just checking on out. Going to head on over now to Ellis Island. We'll spend a few minutes here. We didn't spend a whole lot of time there. We wanted to get back over to Manhattan and check stuff out. But it was cool to see. That's where everybody came through there for a long, long time when they were coming into the country. Get checked in, make sure everything was good to go. There's a museum inside. It was cool. We ran through it pretty quick. There's Charlie just hanging out. They were doing some work, some construction over here on Ellis Island too, but it wasn't too bad in a way. Uh,
In dear old New York, it's remarkable, very. The name on the lamppost is unnecessary. You merely have to see the girls to know what street you're on. Fifth Avenue beauties and dear old Broadway girls, the tailor-made shoppers, the Avenue A girls. They're strictly all right, but they're different quite in the different parts of town. In old New York, the peach crop's always fine. They're sweet and fair, and on the square, the maids of Manhattan for mine. You cannot see in gay Paris, in London, or in Cork, the queens you'll meet on any street in old New York. Whatever the weather is, shining or showery, that doesn't cut any ice on the bar.
National Park Service, thank you for joining us today. Enjoy the rest of your trip. We hope to see you again soon.
all right, and that's it for Liberty Island and the Statue of Liberty. Gonna make our way back across over into Manhattan and start checking out some stuff over here. All right, let's go.
In old New York, the peach crop's always fine.